Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss about the bridal blushes, and this is yet another episode of our bridal series where we'll talk deeply about each of the makeup product so that you guys know where to invest your money in. Now, I don't know about you, but I honestly have so many blushes in my wish list that I wanted to buy for my marriage. When I say so many, matlab 10. Let's talk about out of all the 10,000 blushes that I wanted to buy anyways, which one I am truly going to invest in and which one I'm going to suggest you guys, so you can just decide based on your budget and whatever suits to your skin. So I'm gonna talk about skin types also, क्योंकि skin type के according blush लेना is the only crucial thing here. क्योंकि बाकी सब लोग blush के बारे में बता रहे हैं बट कोई ये नहीं बता रहा कि किस skin tone पे कौन सा blush जाएगा. मतलब skin tone की बात भी सब कर लेते हैं, dark medium light पे कौन सा जाएगा, बट skin type के बारे में नहीं बात करते कि यार oily skin पे कौन सा जाएगा. क्योंकि हम क्या करते हैं, जैसे मेरी स्किन है ड्राई बट मेरी फ्रेंड की स्किन है ऑयली, वो मुझे देख के ब्लश ले लेती है, बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि उसकी ऑयली स्किन है और उसकी स्किन पे टेक्सचर है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑयलीनेस. सो द ब्लश दैट लुक्स गुड ऑन मी shows extreme texture on her skin, so that's why it's really important to know about skin type as well blushes खरीदने से पहले. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. So let's get started. सबसे पहले I'm going to talk about the most natural blush of all. Now I've used like 2-3 of these, which is the Vanity from Benefit. अब अगर तो तुम्हें चाहिए कि बिल्कुल नेचुरल लुकिंग ब्लश की, जैसे तुम्हारे अंदर से ये नेचुरल ब्लश आ रहा है एंड यू हैवंट अप्लाइड एनीथिंग ऑन योर फेस, जो कि मैं तो ऑफ कोर्स चाहती हूँ कि सबको ऐसे लगे कि आई वेकअप लाइक दिस. सो अगर तुम्हें भी ऐसी ही लुक चाहिए कि जिस सोने से पहले व्हेन वी रिमूव द मेकअप, है ना, तो देयर शुड बी समथिंग जो ऐसा ब्यूटीफुल सा ग्लो और ऐसे पिंकिश से चीक्स दे. आई एम समवन हु लव टू स्लीप विद ब्लशेज एज वेल. आई लव ब्लश, बहुत सुंदर लगता है. बेनिफिट का बेनेटेंट. अब इसके बहुत सारे ड्यूप्स हैं, तुमने देखी भी होगी लॉट ऑफ ड्यूप वीडियोस ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट, बट आई वुड से द बेस्ट फॉर्मूला only Benefit can give you. Like I've used different blushes as well, which is like this Etude House. बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा रह गया है. मतलब इसकी अच्छी बात यह है कि बहुत सुंदर ब्लश देता है. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि स्टेन बहुत ज़्यादा करता है हाथों को. आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गोना बाय इट अगेन जस्ट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन. बट बेनिफिट, अब उसका न्यू शेड आया है एक, विच इज चेरी समथिंग शेड नेम. आई जस्ट डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम, बट आई एम गोना मेंशन इट ऑन द स्क्रीन. It's a really beautiful shade. I'm gonna invest in that shade. So if you want like natural rosy red kind of cheek, invest in Benefit Babe. All of my friends have invested in that blush. Yeah, it's a really good blush. But अगर तुम्हारा उतना budget नहीं है, because I know it's expensive, 2400 something है, then you can just go with this blush. Same ही है. This is, both of these are same. Benefit भी stain करता है but not that bad जितना ये करता है. तो इट्स लाइक अ सेम थिंग. अगर तुम हाथ धो लेना बाद में, बस दैट्स द ओनली थिंग. बट या दिस इज ऑल्सो रियली गुड ऑप्शन. दिस वन इज फ्रॉम Etude House. सेकेंड ब्लश I'm going to recommend is from K Beauty. Now I have mixed feelings about this blush, but I just want to show you basically कि blush है कैसा, then rest is your decision. Now this blush is for $7.99. Let's start from there. I just genuinely think this is not worth the price. Fades away so quick. I have the shade Sweetheart Pink. Now honestly I don't have the cap, क्योंकि मैं उतार के रखती हूँ मोस्ट यूज्ड आइटम्स के कैप, एंड इट्स वे इजी, जस्ट अप्लाइड एंड जस्ट डू इट. कैप बंद ओपन करने में बहुत सारा टाइम वेस्ट होता है. नाउ दिस इज लाइक अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल शेड, ऑनेस्टली स्वीट हार्ट पिंक दिस इज, बट इट डजंट स्टे. Within 1-2 hours it will gonna fade away no matter what. The shade itself is really pretty, but yeah, the first one, the Benefit. Now the Benefit is gonna suit dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, but not supremely oily skin because it's a liquid based product. The blush basically stucks in that pores. And this one is the K Beauty blush. Now this one looks beautiful on all skin tones. I feel like it's very very light, blendable. Only thing is that staying power is not there. I just went out for puja, मेरी मम्मी ने ये लगा दिया. So we're gonna continue with that because I have mixed feelings about K Beauty products. जितनी उसकी hype है, I don't see that kind of performance in their products. I've tried a lot of their products. I mean, I'm not a big fan of K Beauty as a brand. मतलब उसको present as a very polished way में किया जाता है that you really wanted to buy their stuff, but it just don't perform according to me. And the blush is like one of them. Now talking about my all-time favorite blush, जिसका मुझे आज तक भी कोई ड्यूप नहीं मिल पाया, बट इट्स ऑनेस्टली प्राइस इतना कम है, यू डोंट इवन नीड अ ड्यूप. दिस वन इज फ्रॉम मिलानी इन द शेड ल्यूमिनोसो. जस्ट सी द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस ब्लश एंड यू विल नो. गिर गिर के बेचारा टूट ही गया है, मतलब अब ये. बट आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी एवर बी एबल टू फिनिश द quantity. Like this is like the most gorgeous shade that I own. I just don't like this type of blushes जो खत्म ही नहीं होते. That's the only thing, because I really wanted to buy blush like every single time I wanted to buy a new blush. But ये खत्म ही नहीं होता. But this is so pretty. I've been using this from quite a long time. If you don't have texture on your skin, now texture क्या होता है कि जिसके pores ज़्यादा visible होते हैं, mostly oily skin पे होता है texture. If you have like oily skin, super oily skin, I will say just avoid this blush. But if you have skin type like mine, you see there is no visible pores, pretty clear skin. This is a gorgeous blush for you guys. थोड़ा सा मैं लगा के बताऊंगी. When you apply it on your skin, the color is not that visible. It gives very natural flushed cheeks. This is what I'm talking about. Like you see, तो मतलब अगर तुम्हें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा और तुम्हारी स्किन टाइप मेरे जैसी है तो I will say don't hesitate, यही एक बाय कर लो in the shade Luminoso. Shade itself is so pretty. It's a peachy nude shade that looks absolutely stunning. Any color I've tried the Barrier more also. So if you want something more pinker, because my color palette is like I like pink blushes, but I tried to go more towards the red blushes because I've heard that they look really pretty on the skin as well. So the next blush recommendation is from e.l.f. This is again one more budget friendly blush. Like last time when I came here, I gave this blush to my mom. And like all the other products, this is also something that she wasted because it is still intact. Really beautiful mauve color blush. Now whenever it comes to powder blush, they work best as a blush topper. So अगर आपने नीचे अपना cream blush लगाया और उसके ऊपर अगर आप उसको same color के powder brush से set करते हो तो it's gonna stay for like an entire day, which is what we want. So that's how you apply it. But this is again such a pretty mauvey nude shade. I'm gonna mention the shade on the screen again, but this one is from e.l.f. and you can see how it looks. Looks pretty good, right? These were the blushes that I already own. Now there are some blushes that I've tried in Sephora or in Shoppers Drug Mart that I'm gonna buy for my wedding. And the very first is from the L'Oreal. It's again a liquid blush. Most of the liquid blushes are good for people who have dry to normal skin. Oily skin, always go for powder blushes. And if you're someone with textured skin, I will recommend very specific type of blushes because not a lot of product goes with the textured skin. The one product that I for sure know goes really well with the textured skin is from Tower 28. They have the blushes that don't emphasize your skin's texture, and it's beautiful, gives you a blurring effect on the skin. If you can get your hands on that, they are really good for your skin. Next blush that I'm going to recommend is from the house of L'Oreal. Shade whatever you like, wahi le lena, but these blushes are again really good. Now the biggest advantage of that blush is you don't need highlighter with that. Just need one drop of that and your cheeks will be like really flushed, like that glow from within, pink cheeks. That is the kind of effect. Color, of course, you get whatever you like. But yeah, that again is like a really beautiful blush. I'm gonna mention it on the screen. If there is one liquid blush you can invest your money in, I will say go with this one. Another blush that I want to recommend is a cream to powder blush. You can have it in your kit. I'm gonna buy that shade in particular. It's from K Beauty. Now I haven't tried this honestly, but I've heard really good reviews of. I am not sure because reviews उसके हर product के अच्छे होते हैं, but it's not product अच्छा नहीं निकलता most of the time. Like मैंने अब तक 3 चीजें ली हैं, all 3 just didn't work for my skin, so I just don't trust it. But yeah, I really wanted to buy that shade. And I've heard really good reviews and I'm all about that cream liquid blushes, so I'm really intrigued to buy that shade. And that shade in particular is something I really wanted to buy, so I'll just we'll see how it works. But it's gonna look amazing on the brides and the newlyweds, so I will highly recommend that shade for you. Now the last 2 blushes that I want to recommend go perfectly with the Indian skin tones. The number one is from e.l.f. It's their liquid blush. Oh my god, the pigmentation, the color, it's so good, especially the shade. I just don't remember, but it's a mauvey shade. But it's so beautiful, mauvey tone shade. And the e.l.f. blushes, they comparatively last for a longer time, like 5-6 hours, I'm gonna say. And on top of that, if you have like setting spray on, it looks absolutely stunning on the skin. So these are some of the bridal blushes. If you're someone who like to do like full glam makeup look, this is a blush that looks really good. And apart from that, there is one more blush that nobody talks about, but there was a time when these blushes were all the rage, just like the Milani baked blushes. This one is from Nykaa. I've used 2 palettes of this. One is the Malibu Barbie, that's the name I remembered. It's a beautiful pinky shade. Now they come in 3 set of different shades, so you can choose whatever shade palette you like. Now this is for like $550 something. You're gonna get it for that price on the sale, that I know for sure. So you're gonna get two shades in that one palette, right? It stays for a really good time, and the pigmentation, the payoff, the color payoff, it's really good, I will say. So yeah, these are not something that's been talked about a lot, but they are absolutely some of the blushes that are like really good, especially for the price you're getting it for. I 100% recommend those blushes as well. So yeah, with that we came to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy your day.